Alright, example 4. Use Newton's divided difference formula to construct the unit polynomial of degree n smaller or equal to, which agrees with fx equal r times x at x equals 0, 1, and sub 3. To construct the cubic polynomial that interpolates r times at x equals 0, 1 over sub 3, 1 and sub 3. At the point 1 over sub 3 on the bottom of the above divided differences table and calculate the 3 more differences. So in this question we have two parts. The first part is to find the b2x that interpolate the fx equal r tan x at 0, 1 and sub 3. The second part is p3x with the same functions and added a point 1 over sub 3. Right. So we already know how to find the divided difference tables. Here, we will quickly do it for the first one. Right. So we write the table I from 0, 1, 2. So xi equal 0, 1, and sub 3. Now the zero derivative or fx I. Right. So this one equal what? R tan of x at 0 is 0. R tan at 1, you need to use the calculator, okay? R tan at 1 give you the answer 0.785. R tan at sub 3 give you the point 1.047. Now the first derivative. So this means that we do f x0 x1. So to do that, we find the answer is 0.785. And f of x1 x2 give you the answer 0.358. Now the second derivative. So f x0 x1 x2 equals what? Equal this one minus this one, divide this one minus this one. So 0.35x minus 0.785 divide sub 3 minus 0. Give you the answer minus 0.247. So with that, P2x is the summation from I equals 0 to 2 of AI Pi x. This one equals. So remember the diagonal coefficients. So the first one, A0 is 0 plus A1 is 0.785. X minus x1, x minus x0 is 0. So the third one is minus 0.247. X minus 0, x minus 1. So this one equals 0.785x minus 0.247x x minus 1. So this is the first part of the question. Now the second part we need to do is we added a point 1/3 at the bottom of the table. Right. So the table already here. We added another point. So right, so I can add another point here. So can you see the table? You're right. Alright. Now the new point added is 1 over, so this one point number 4, 1/3. So 1/3 fx I should equal 0.524, and the first derivative is computed by the answer is 0.453. Then the second derivative, if the answer at minus 0.227. Now we need to add another column. This is the third derivative. So third derivative is f of x0, x1, x2, x3. Compute it using the formula. We got the answer 0.035. Right? So what is the P3x? Is the summations of I equals 0 to 3 ai pix. But we already know P2. So this one equal P2 plus A3 x minus x0, x minus x1, and x minus x2. So the answer equals P2 we know already. So 0.785x minus 0.247 x minus 1. Now A3 is plus 0.035. X minus x0 is x minus x1 is x minus 1. X minus x2 is x minus 3. Right. So this is the answer for P3. Thank you.